Money ain't shit without game. They say all money, good money, but if you a dummy and spent, a fool and his money shall soon be parted. If you hang around 9 broke niggas, you bound to be the 10. Niggas handing out their cash cause they too weak hearted. I can't give you $10, but I give you 2 on the strength. Enough to get you off my back, but not to do much with. Nah, get out and get your own, nigga. Thought you was grown. Now you running around talking about a pocket full of stones. Hit the streets with high hopes and this shit went wrong. Thought you should be ballin', but you ain't Jim Jones. And you like to talk about how you handle. What up with it, YouTube? I got something else for you today. I had this issue, well, it's been a while now. It's been a while back. When I first installed Windows 10. Once you install Windows 10, it's a little different from Windows 7 when it comes to installing your fonts. And I found out immediately how to get to it, but it's people out there who may not know, and that's why I'm here, is to help out any way I can. So I'm gonna show y'all basically what you would have to do in order to get the fonts into every program that you work with. So for example, let's say I want to come over here to look up some thick cursive fonts, and you can pick basically anyone, whatever you're going for. I want to make sure it's something that I don't got. I don't think I have this one. So you just go ahead and download it, and you can click on it here if you're working in Google Chrome, right here at the bottom. Okay, so it actually opened it up on my other screen. I work on dual screen, so let me bring it over. And you see it here, it is here, bold and stylish calligraphy. So you can double click that, it'll open up, and then you want to hit install. Okay, so just because you hit install doesn't mean you're gonna be able to use it. So that's where this video comes into play, something that's gonna help you to get where you need to be. So you'll come down into your search bar. Actually, I do not have that showing, but down at the bottom on your taskbar in Windows 10 where it says type here to search, I should have had that showing in the video, but you see what it'll bring up here. And all you want to do, you want to type in a %, then local app data, and % after it. You can see it all here. % local app data and % at the end. So once that pops up, you want to click on that folder, let that open up, and you want to come down here to Microsoft, then Windows, then you want to come to fonts. Now basically we're just going to look for the font that we just installed, which is bold and stylish right here. You want to right click it, and then you want to hit install for all users. Now that you have installed it for all users, basically it'll be installed in all of your programs that you use. So that's a quick and easy little tip, but it's very helpful, because I know if you in the t-shirt game or just design in general, I mean, you work with lots of different fonts. You always need this font, that font, and you got to be on your toes about it. And if you run into that little hiccup right there where, oh man, I got the font and I installed it, but why can't I use it? That can be a little pain in the butt right there. So I hope y'all like this video. It's going to be many more where that came from. I got a whole bunch of little tips and tricks to get you along. I'm always finding my way around things, So y'all keep on tuning in to LCT Unlimited. The next time you come back, you bring somebody with you and tell them to bring somebody with them. I'll be sitting right here waiting on you. And remember, be independent, be individual, be you. I'm out.